Hello guys, what is up? My name is Willfiveter and welcome back to the channel, and today we have another private signing video for you guys, so let's get into who it is. So, you might have seen the short, but my friends over at Magpie Toys have managed to get a signing with one of the most sought after Vikings actors, John Kavanagh. He plays the Seer in all seasons of the Vikings, as well as Vikings Valhalla, and he has said that this will be his last ever private signing. So we have managed to get a Seer Funko Pop, which I will be sending in to get signed by John Kavanagh. As you guys will know, we already have Gustav, we already have Rolo. This will be the Seer, which means we'll just be missing Lagertha and the unicorn himself, Travis Fimmel, Ragnar Lothbrok. But it's number 3 out of the set. We're going to be prepping this. I've paid for double quotes. It's his last ever private signing. I'm going to go all out and get this as clean and as good as possible. So I'm going to flat pack it and I'm going to show you it, packaged it up before I send it, and then we'll wait for the return. So, as you can see, we've had our return from Magpie, but I've got some cool things to show you before I unbox this. Firstly, as you will have seen on the channel, we went to the Deadpool and Wolverine premiere and I got my poster framed, and this is how it came out. I thought it'd be a cool thing to show you in this video just to fill a bit of space, but yeah, it looks so good with the red and the yellow border and the white as well. This came out so good. And as well, we picked up another Funko Pop for the collection. A cool one for me, a dream to get this signed. It's not a convention one though. It is a Lewis Hamilton, I believe this is 2014 limited edition white outfit Funko Pop. Hamilton's the only reason I watch F1. One day, Paddock Pass, Silverstone, or another Grand Prix, I'm going to try and get this signed. I'm going to take this with me. Hopefully one day we can get this signed by Lewis, but yeah, it's another cool pop to add into the collection. Okay, here we are. Let's rip this open. It came back. Oh, it came back in a top loader. I didn't actually send it in a top loader, so thank you, Magpie, for the protection with the shipping. Really do appreciate it. I sent mine between 2 pieces of cardboard because I ran very low on top loaders because I forget to keep buying them whenever I go to these conventions, which is not the smartest thing by me. But here we are. If I pull this out, Will Marland, and oh, we got the double quote that we paid. Well, we paid for it, but yeah, with the SWOW authentication, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pop inside, I'm going to put it in a protector, and I'm going to show it you in its full boxed form, but this looks so good. And here is the Seer inbox, inbox and in the protector, and it looks so clean. I'm so happy with this. This is number 3 of 5 for the Vikings collection, and it looks really good. But what we're going to do now is talk about the whole experience of getting this item signed, because that's what we do. So yes guys, now you've seen the item, let's talk about the service. Pricing is great, paid for 2 quotes, got the 2 quotes, got it in the colour and the fine Sharpie I wanted, amazing. Sending it in a top loader when I didn't send one with me, again, excellent service, brilliant. Smooth, it was fast shipping, it came quick. I just haven't opened it because, just to address the elephant in the room, is why I have black eyes. I had no surgery, so I had a splint on for the past 12 days, so I wasn't really able to record anything. But now that I can and I look presentable, I've been able to unbox this and open it, and yeah, I'm super happy with it. Wouldn't have been able to get John without them, I don't think. I think this possibly his last ever private signing, so I'm glad that I've been able to add him into the collection. 2 things I am going to say, because I'm honest and open. If I remember correctly, I could be wrong on this, but the authentication listed on the website was ACOA. And I believe, I think I read that obviously it's authenticated by SWOW, and SWOW is still a good company, but it was listed as ACOA. Kind of was hoping it was ACOA, but we have SWOW. It's fine. It's authentication. I know it's legit anyway. The guys are great over there. But that is one thing I thought I would mention. As well, on the quote, there is a tiny bit of like scraping / missing ink, and obviously it could be down to how he's signing. There's so many items getting signed, so I'm not complaining. It looks absolutely incredible. I'm super grateful to the guys over at Magpie for getting this done for me and how it has come out. But I just had to, the 2 things I had to mention. Overall, brilliant communication. I actually forgot to put my order number in with my pop, and the guys over there sorted it out, put my order number on my stuff so it didn't get lost. Came super fast. It's still, the pop itself is in good condition. There's no damage to the window or anything, which I have seen in the past with other companies and other people. Ink, other than like the tiny little scratches, I'm just a perfectionist. I notice it because I look at these things. It doesn't matter. You can't, from a distance, you can't tell. This is just me. But it looks great. Quote is exactly as I wrote, where I wrote, stickers where I wanted it. And yeah, everything came back in super good and super clean condition. I'm super happy with it. We've got 2 more to go, Lagertha and Ragnar, the 2 hardest. Obviously, if I'd gotten to conventions a year earlier, I would have Lagertha, and it'd just be Ragnar, Travis Fimmel, the unicorn that you can't find. But yeah, Seer added to the collection. If he ever does another private sign, I didn't realise this, but I was watching Vikings for the 4th time. And my desk, the one that I got an unboxed on the unboxed, I didn't unbox a desk. The one I showed you on this channel was actually used by John Kavanagh's other character, the Pope. So if John ever does another private signing, I'll be sending one of the drawers over to get signed by him, because I'm going to get Rollo and Gisela on one drawer. Morgan seems to be doing more conventions now, so I'll be able to get her. Same with Clive. And then in the other drawer, I'll try and get John Kavanagh, the Pope. But yes, other than that, super happy with it. Came out brilliantly. Thank you again to Magpie. Obviously, I did pay money for it, so it's not like it was free. But great service, great communication. Everything about it was great. I'm super happy with how it came out. We'll be using them in the future as if there is someone that I need. I do prefer to meet a lot of people, but John Kavanagh was one of them. Might be his last ever private signing. Don't know if he'll ever do a con again. So it was an opportunity I couldn't miss out on. And if there's some more great opportunities in the future, which I believe there will be, maybe some Last Kingdom cast I've heard them talk about, I will definitely be going back to them again, and I recommend any of their signings, use them. They're great. But yeah, unfortunately that is it for today's video. Me with a brand new nose signing off for the first time. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Sneaky little added clip, but here is the Seer in place next to the Viking script, as well as Rollo and Floki.